I'll say there. You can raise up your hand. We have the points of order. Information from Honorable Idil. Yes.
I would like to tell you, the current speaker, that some government schools have microphones that teachers can stand here and the pupils can hear.
Raise up your hand. We have the points of order, points of information if you have anything to tell your friend. Then point of defense if you have to defend someone. Those are the main theory I want to consider in this time. So from the second speaker, you can start asking what you feel that you're not yet sure of. So allow me to welcome Honorable Tisache from the proposal side.
Chairperson, secretary, the judge, the timekeeper, the two competing teams plus the house at large. Good evening. Good evening, Honorable Tisache. As our motto is written on the blackboard that government schools are better than private schools, and I support the motion because of my following views. My first view: teachers are paid highly. You find that a government teacher a month works for 1 million, but you find that a private teacher a month works for 10,000. My second view, they don't beat children. Find that private schools speaking vernacular they beat you, while government schools you speak any language that you want.
As a major stakeholder, why not consulting?
My last view, children eat well. Find that in private schools, every day they eat pork and beans, while you can find that government schools, a week they eat a balanced diet.
But proposers, I don't try to be attentive. You can also raise up your hand to defend yourself. The second speaker is coming from the opposers, and that is Honorable Sharita. Let's welcome Honorable.
Thank you, Chairperson, Secretary, the Judge, Timekeeper, plus the audience. Good evening. Good evening, Honorable Sharita. The motion is wrongly written at the blackboard that government schools are better than private schools. I don't support the motion. Private schools give a chance to learners to promote their talents, while in government school it's where you will find they spend even a year without giving children chances to promote their talents. In private schools, teachers promote parental care. In government school is where we will find 100 children in one class. How will a teacher know that this one is not doing my work?
Reached its full capacity, especially when one considers the need.
Private schools, when speaking to parents, they speak soft. It's where in government schools we find a teacher speaking following with our parents. For them, they don't care. As the motion is written on the blackboard saying government schools are better than private schools, I support it because of my following views. In government schools, there is no need to pay school fees, but you can find a private learner when he's going back
have. Yes, we have.
Order, people. Yes.
They provide protection to the learners.
Offended person. So allow me to welcome Honorable Rachel, who is coming from the opposite. Point of information allowed, Honorable.
I'm asking to you, Honorable. It is in order for the precarious speaker to come and start reading. Is it in order? So pay attention.
The point raised is invalid. Reason being, the Honorable raised points of information from nowhere. It was inquiry from nowhere, point of order. So the point is not clear. Therefore, there is nothing considered. Honorable, please continue.
Explaining why the government schools, the teacher can just come and put on the work and just go out. The classes are big, the children they can't hear what the teacher is talking. Only the front children, they are the one who can hear.
Point of information from Honorable Edith. Yes.
I would like to tell you, the current speaker, that some government schools are my robots. The teachers can stand here and the pupils can hear. Every government school, because of them they can't lie.
Mr. Teacher, point of defense. Defend what? How can you defend yourself?
I would like to correct my friend that they say as the motion is written, not has.
Who can read it?
As the motion is written, government schools are better than private schools. I support it with my following views. Of government schools, they are helping more than pupils of private.
Honorable, please. Point of order somewhere here. Yes, Honorable, point of order.
Is it in order for the recurrent speaker to model on stage?
I'm the one to decide for point of order.
Pupils of government schools, they are helping more than pupils of private schools.
Raise your hands,
Say no, don't say no. Just raise up your hand.
Raise the hand.
Government schools, they can wear uniforms, sportswear, and stockings at private government schools.
Raise your hands now.
I refuse to get a sportswear because of the money.
Raise your hands.
That one is not allowed. That one is not allowed. Just now, don't do anything else. Listen. Hello, P.4. Now, the side that will shout louder, they are going to be deducted. So please, clap your hand and just raise up where you are not sure of. Yeah? Let us not shout from there. So that was Honorable Nagai Florence from Proposer side and a primary form. Now let's move back to our opposers who are saying the government, private school, is better. Honorable Nabani Laula, coming forward.
Thank you, Daniel Kani, the secretary, and the presence of the learners. As our motion is wrongly written on the blackboard, government schools are better than private schools. I do not support. Because
Can hear noise.
private school, they can bring a case that the children is abusing a friend. The teacher do something, tell someone that stop abuse. But government school, they cannot hear that teacher. They just keep quiet. My second.
Going somewhere, yes. Which point is that, mister? Which point is that? Yes. Listen. Okay, sit down. Thank you. Let me try that. He's saying point of order and I say is the word children is singular, which I think even first of all the point you raised is wrong. That was point of inquiry instead of point of order. Therefore, no penalty for that. Let's continue.
My second view. In private school, they provide better transport. But you can reach in government school when the children, he comes at 8 when he's coming just at school.
Point of defense. What? Point of inquiry, yes, honorable.
Dear Honorable, maybe the timetables like that come at 8.
Let's continue, yes. So, are you defending yourself? Yes, defend.
In my life, I have never seen a school take the children that come at 8.
Let's continue.
You can reach in a private school when they demand for school fees, respectively. But you reach in a government school, they pay when you come. But us, if they tell you to pay school fees, but in government they don't tell us to pay school